Hello and welcome to our konbini snack taste testing. We've got some eclectic snacks from the local konbini, chosen by Lee, and chosen very well because we've got some things here that we've not taken the easy route. We're going to sample some things that I would normally go nowhere near.
I went to the big three convenience store chains in Japan, and that is 7-Eleven, Family Mart, and Lawson. And I found these snacks. One snack is made by 7-Eleven in particular, so it's exclusive to 7-Eleven.
The one that has a characteristic odor?
Yeah. Let's intro these bad boys. We have here Horn, which
You managed to keep a straight face. Well done. I wouldn't have been able to.
appears to be chocolate. It just says cacao chocolate. That's how you make chocolate, I guess. And then I figured that Japan is quite famous for its various Kit Kat flavors.
Yeah, I think someone in the UK was once asking me about the green tea Kit Kat. I think it was quite a thing at some point in time. Yeah,
it's gained
but
a bit
you
of.
can get it overseas now. Yeah,
It's gained a bit of notoriety, I think. You know what? I've never actually tried these various Kit Kat flavors ever in all my years living in Japan. This will be the first time I've ever tried some sort of variant of Kit Kat.
Right.
Because I am a Kit Kat traditionalist.
Ah, okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm old school like that. So first of all, we've got...
Yeah, you voted Leave in the Brexit election, didn't you? It's one of those. Sorry, I should probably cut that. It's unnecessarily political.
politics.
Yeah. No place for it here. No place for it.
So we have Kit Kat matcha. Matcha means green tea. I will say, green tea, it's not... Japanese green tea is called matcha, and it's a fairly sort of creamy texture green tea.
When they make a sweet version, yeah. Well, a version for a snack. They would usually... Because they have to dial back the bitterness, because the bitterness is kind of the point of it sometimes.
Genuine real matcha tea is quite bitter.
Yeah.
And it's got a creamy texture. There's no cream in it, but they whisk it up into sort of a creamy texture. So it's creamy green. It doesn't look very appetizing at all. Now, on to the last sweet variety we have.
No, second to last.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Second to last. I'm forgetting another. Yeah, we've got quite a bit of an eclectic Kit Kat mix. And that is another flavor of Kit Kat. And because it's the season, we're recording this at the very end of March, and it's Hanami season, which is when the cherry blossoms bloom. Okay? And we've got Sakura Nihonshu, which means Sakura, cherry blossom sake flavored Kit Kat. Interesting.
Should be interesting, yeah.
They're pink, just like the cherry blossoms. On to the final sweet snack. It's another Kit Kat variety. This time it's not Kit Kat fingers. This is...
Yeah, man, are you sponsored by Kit Kat and you haven't told me about this? I just realized that is the third Kit Kat variety, yeah.
It's a good idea. If you're listening, Kit Kat. This is Kit Kat Mainichi no Natsu to Cranberry, which translates to everyday nuts and cranberry.
Oh yeah, everyday nuts and cranberry.
You don't get your
the old
daily intake of
the
nuts
old
and cranberry.
phrase, yeah. The savories, okay. First we have the Capricciosa Stick Croque Manma. So, like a rice, I guess in an Italian restaurant you may have a rice croquet ball. So rice ball with, I guess, mozzarella cheese through it, and then perhaps something in the middle, or perhaps even...
I think that's the arancini or something. They look like little oranges.
Right. Then we have here the 3 cheese... It's called like 3 cheese in stick? No, 3 cheese...
Not stick, 3 cheese in snack.
That's it, 3 cheese in snack. It just seems to be some kind of savory corn type... I guess like a fried was it not cornmeal? I don't know what you call that.
I don't know what they are.
Like a corn snack. Like in the UK we used to have like 10 pence crisps that were like corn maize. Like it's like corn maize fried with some cheese in the middle. We don't know if the triple
sounds like a very Scottish thing.
Yeah, I don't know if this is going to be like 3 different kinds of cheese or just there's so much cheese it's triple cheese. And then Korean stick, which seems to be, we thought it might be like sort of I guess like a puffy, like a corn maze type snack with curry powder flavoring, but it seems to be worse. It seems to be that, but actually with some kind of cream that is curry flavored in the middle.
Curry cream.
Let's see how that goes. We start with a capricciosa. We're going to start with savory.
Yeah.
I think this might actually be.
It sounds okay.
Quite tasty.
They're a little bit smelly, but nothing like the cheese in snack.
All right. They look.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. I hit the microphone.
They smell like savory rice balls.
Yeah. So here we go.
After you.
Very shaku.
Very crunchy. It tastes of tomato ketchup.
Yeah. It's not too bad.
It's not bad. Yeah.
Yeah.
It really tastes like tomato ketchup.
Basically, yeah.
Yeah. It's not particularly salty or peppery or anything else. I'm just getting really strong tomato ketchup.
Yeah, I guess if you had like potato chips or crisps that were tomato ketchup flavored, it's just like that.
Let's just go right to curry in stick.
After you, sir. So it says zaku zaku spicy. Zaku, I'm not familiar with zaku zaku.
I think zaku zaku is just the same as saku saku. It means like.
Oh, okay.
I think.
Yeah.
Anyone with better Japanese than us can probably correct us.
Oh my lord! It says, as we look at it, it's actually camembert. So camembert, cheese.
My God.
So the outside is infused with a camembert cheese taste, and the inside is a cream which is the same color as a small baby may produce unwillingly.
Oh, you're really bigging this up now.
Yeah. But maybe it's delicious. Let's see.
It's filled with curry cream. Smells like curry. Definitely.
Nowhere near as bad as I thought. It's bad, but it's not awful. I wouldn't want.
Sweet.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to eat another one. But
Oh
yeah.
my goodness, it's sweet.
Yeah.
It's
It's very like a corn maze snack. Yeah.
It's not good.
But it's just weird that it's got cream in the middle.
I'm not a fan of the creamy. You crunch through the crispy corn snack.
Yeah.
And there's like a soft, creamy, curry flavored center.
And then it just feels. I feel a little bit like I've just got some curry powder and gone.
Yeah.
Like and then somehow swallowed it. Not awful.
It's not awful.
But I wouldn't recommend it. I think these are going to be the worst.
You know what? I think so. They smell the worst. They smell from here. Triple cheese in snack. So they look like little pillows. They look like little mini shredded wheats.
They do. Yeah.
Yeah. Here we go. Ooh, strong.
It's really nasty. No. No.
It's not the worst thing I've eaten. It's definitely not the best.
Oh no, that's
I will pass.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah.
I'm
Oh,
not.
I'm getting that cheesy aftertaste.
Yeah, like,
now.
I'm not gonna swear because I should try and find the words, but just no. That's really. Oh, that's unpleasant.
I'm a little bit warmer on it than you are, but yeah, I wouldn't choose this.
Well, you can take them home.
On to the sweet stuff. So, yeah, would you like the horn?
Oh yeah, I think I've got it already.
Easy now. Okay, though they're in true Japanese fashion, horn is individually wrapped.
They're in a box and then individually wrapped.
Yeah, waste not, want not.
So we can safely say Lee has given me the horn. I'm just stating what happened.
Horn pun number 12 so far.
We're simple people.
Okay, so interesting. They are. Yeah, I mean it's not wafer. They look like wafer.
Probably gonna taste like cheese after that.
Yeah, that's a good point actually.
No, yeah.
They're just like cookie with chocolate sandwich in the middle. So,
Not bad at all.
not bad.
Because not particularly sweet.
It's not overly sweet. Yeah.
Quite mild, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it's still too chocolatey for what I would like, but yeah, I mean, very, very easy to eat. Very easy, yeah.
Very. Yep. That's pretty good. Matcha. This is one that's got me worried the most because I'm not a huge
Should we
fan.
just have a one each? One, what do you call it? Finger?
One finger.
Because I won't be able to
Yeah,
eat
I
two
can't
fingers,
imagine
yeah.
eating the whole finger. Yeah, like I said before, I'm not a huge fan of matcha green tea.
You're getting a smaller one. Lucky you.
Thank you. Hey, it's darker than I thought.
Yeah.
I thought it would be a much lighter color.
I wonder if it's... let's see.
Here we go. Definitely smells of green tea.
Taste of green tea.
Taste of green tea. Not a fan. Not a fan at all. Ooh, I don't like that.
I like that more than
Don't
horn.
like that at all.
Just
No.
it's not really sweet, or because it's matcha, they've made it. It's quite chalky though, which is not particularly pleasant. But for me, that would be the easiest one to eat so far. In that,
Really?
and it's not sweet. I don't really like sweet that much anyway. So for me, but I'd rather not eat it. But it's quite chalky. But the high notes and low notes of whatever sweetness and bitterness are all kind of in the middle. So it's quite easy to eat for me.
Really? No, I would not buy that again. Ever.
Sakura time?
Yeah. Okay. So it's the season. So
'Tis the season.
Sakura Japanese sake
Is
flavor.
Sakura Japanese sake. Interesting.
Yeah. Yeah. Will it taste of sake? Because I know Sakura doesn't have much of a flavor at all.
Yeah. Very
It's pink.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, smell.
Oh, it does smell of
Really
something.
strong smell, yeah.
I won't say that smells of sake, but it smells of something.
It smells of soap.
It does.
Smells like yeah.
It does now.
Ah.
Okay, now I'm thinking of soap.
It was very unpleasant. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
I don't know what to make of that.
Oh, it's dreadful. No, I don't want to finish that. It's horrible.
Really?
It's really bad. I don't know.
I
Maybe,
can finish that, but
Yeah. Oh.
so far, Kit Kat is 0 from 2.
Yeah.
Can it be redeemed with Kit Kat balls? Nuts and cranberry balls.
This should be okay. It should
Yeah.
just be
This looks
chocolate,
and sounds delicious.
almonds, and cranberry. You can't go far wrong. Come on.
Can't smell anything, but
Fine. It's fine.
not a strong taste of anything. Really?
Just chocolate.
Yeah, but quite mild chocolate.
It's kind of
I think the almonds and the nuts just kind of cancel out the sweetness of chocolate, so it's it's perfectly fine.
I say it's almost forgettable. It's just,
Yeah,
you've eaten it.
it's very mild, isn't
Yeah,
it?
you've eaten it and then you've got a slight chocolatey taste in your mouth. I think it's fine. If I somehow was made to eat 2 fingers of that, I've eaten half a finger and that was more than enough. If I had to eat even just 2 small fingers of that, I think I would be sick afterwards.
It's very sickly. I'll give you that. Yeah. For me, it wasn't disgusting, but it was just like, it's sickly sweet and it's weird.
Yeah. In the bin. Yeah, definitely in the bin.
It's a thumbs down.
Oh yeah, a strong thumbs down.
Yeah.
So
If you had to rate these things like from best to worst.
horn is like -2.
Okay.
It's fine. So for me, horn is -2. Capricciosa is -5. Matcha Kit Kat is -7.
Interesting.
This Kit Kat is also -7. The curry and stick is -12, -13. Cheese thing is like -18. And the Sakura thing is like -64. Yeah.
I think for me, I'll separate these into savory and sweet. I think for savory, I would say the best was the capricciosa rice ball thingies. They just tasted of ketchup. Next, I would say that surprisingly, curry and stick was the next best. And the worst was the cheese in snack.
Triple cheese?
Triple cheese in snack. Made by 7-Eleven.
Themselves.
7-Eleven exclusive.
Yeah.
So
they can keep it to themselves.
Yeah. Yeah. Of the sweet variety, Horn was the best of the sweet stuff, followed by Kit Kat, cranberry and almonds, and then begrudgingly, it's pretty bad. There's a big gap here between 2 and 3. Next, I would say Sakura Kit Kat.
So for you, the matcha is even worse than the Sakura?
Oh, yeah.
Really? Wow.
I could palate Sakura flavored Kit Kat, even though it's not good.
Yeah.
And it's sickly and kind of... I cannot I couldn't finish this. I took half a bite of one finger and I was like, that's it, I'm
that's
done.
For me. This is a good thing. Kit Kat obviously have this kind of grade within their biscuits. And one of their grades is the fact that for me, the Sakura one was half a bite was too much. Half a bite of one finger was too much. And for you, it was the same in the matcha.
Yeah. This, to me, was foul.
So it's been quite a taste test. Like, we didn't want to be overwhelmingly negative, but we've... Yeah, the things that we've chosen... I mean, a Horn is, to be fair, maybe Horn is a 0, right? Because Horn is just a perfectly fine... You just need some sugar. You need a bit of a kind of sugar thing. You're having a coffee. You want a little cookie type biscuit to go with it. That's fine.
That's your
It's very
choice.
Bland, which is kind of a selling point. Yeah. And that's probably similar.
That's really bland.
But some of these things are actually unpleasant.
Yeah, a few of them have been offensive.
Yeah.
Which is what we wanted.
Kit Kat must have some really interesting taste testers.
There's plenty more flavors of Kit Kat in this country. So we could possibly try some more.
So we've got that to look forward to.
We'll leave it there then. If you think of any other Japanese snacks that we could try or you'd like to see us try.
Maybe after you watch this, you're like,
James is wincing at the thought.
Then
leave a comment. And
I'll try it. Without a doubt, I'll try it,
But any ideas, leave a comment, let us know. We'll give it a try if possible, if James okays it. And in the meantime, you can find... This is part of a podcast we do, the Let's Explore Tokyo podcast. It's available on Soundcloud.
And actually, we're not usually as overwhelmingly negative. We really love Tokyo. We love living here. We love Japan. Just these snacks were just a bit much.
Well, it's been interesting.
Yes.
It's been real.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, well, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time, hopefully.
See you next time.